Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chancellor Tech. Let's do a quick review and specification on Tecno Pop 5. Tecno Pop 5 has a nice body which is built and wrapped with premium plastic. This is a 2021 affordable nice phone for low-end users. You can order it in obsidian black, cosmic blue and ice blue color. On the front, we have the 6.1 HD plus drop notch screen with a display of 720 x 1560 pixels resolution. Port 5 includes a 5MP plus 0.3MP for brighter shots, and on the front we have a single front camera of 5MP for selfies and video calls. Port 5 can't really give you a good camera experience due to the Tecno company did not emphasize more on the camera. But if you're the type that are looking for a better camera experience, you can go for the Sparks because the Pulse don't really have a good camera. But you can still use the camera, it is still good for snapping photos, posting on WhatsApp and the rest of them. But I prefer you going to the Sparks. Alright, these are shots that I took with the Tecno Pop 5. On the right side, we have the volume key button and the power button. At the top, we have the 3.5mm jack. On the left, we have nothing. And at the bottom, we have the mic and the USB port. At the back of this device, that's where we have our dual nano SIM slot, fingerprint scanner with SD card slot included with 4000 mAh battery, which can last for over 27 hours without much activities and lasts for 15 hours steady pressing. It also has a storage memory of 1GB RAM and 60GB ROM, of which I don't think it's going to contain much file. This phone also has a version of Android 10 Go edition and also have 4G Lite for fast browsing. I think this phone is nice and it has no weight like that of the Pop 4. Mostly what I like about the phone is that everything about it is up to date, and you can get this phone over 35,000 naira, which is cheap, and it's $5 for foreign currency. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Also follow me on other platforms at Chancellor Tech.